And it says in an upward motion, of course, because you want the face to go upward, not sag. Thank you so much for joining my channel today. And today I'm going to go over some products I'm going to be using. Some are new, some are old. And this is my daily and nightly routine. And so I just kind of wanted to kind of go over it with you, and then I will do it and then show you the products and the new products as well. So no further ado, here we go. So first thing I do is I wash my face. Now, depending on if I want to use the scrubble or, the scrub to exfoliate, and I use this product here, which is the Jason Scrubble, and it's the apricot, which smells really good. And if I want to use that, I'll use it on my face like maybe every other week or so, just to get off the dead skin. So I use this. But daily, nightly, this is what I use. It's a hydrating daily face cleanser. But this here is one of the ones I've been using, which it cleans really good. Then I use this, which is my holy grail. I love this. This is the rose water. It smells really good. It does help the pH balance in your skin and your face. It's like a toner. To me, it's like a toner. And it tones my face. But it does help for the pH balance. So this is what I use after I wash. And that's night and day. And then, now this is all, the other three things I'm going to be using is new. So they're not something I've ever used before. So this one here is this one here, which is by Eva. Eva. It's by Eva. It is a youth restoring eye gel. And it does have amino acids and the Matrixyl 3000. So it has that in it. And so I use this here. And then the next product is this here. It's called a 24 karat gold. And it is a collagen anti-aging. So I use this, and it's kind of really runny, so it's for the whole face, but it has foil in it, looks like. So that's what the thing said. So it's like foil. And so we'll see. So I'm gonna use this. Then, and I got this at the same time, so I'm not, and it's the 24 karat advanced gold serum, which is this one. This one here. And this one's thicker than this one. If you noticed, see how thick it is? It's kind of thick. And this one is really thin. And this one's thick. So I'm going to be using this around my eyes. 24 karat. So I'm going to be using these two products and see how they react. And if I like them, I will tell you. And I will do another update on how this is doing for my face. I did get this for my body wash. It is tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and eucalyptus oil. And I got this from Art Naturals. And this is a body wash. It smells really good. I don't know what it is about tea tree for some reason. I'm going to have a tea tree month. But it smells really, really good. I have not used it yet, but I will let you know. But this one actually is supposed to deodorize, refreshes, and smooths. So we'll see. So I got this at Art Naturals. So no further ado, here we go. Oh, and I was going to let you go. Look. I just noticed my hair. These are, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but they are growing. Before I started all of this is all thin. Look at that. Look at that. So what I'm using and doing for my hair is working. I am so happy. But yeah, I was like, yes. All right, so let's get my hair back. first, wash my face, and then scrub. And then rinse. Precious. Okay. So after I do my face is this. So let's do this here. Oh, love this. Love rose water. Whew. Let it dry. Let it dry. We let it dry. Okay, it really evaporates really good. Then the next thing I do is this. So we'll use this. And I use this finger around my eyes. And the reason I use these fingers is because these doesn't push so much pressure on your eyelids and your under eye. Because when you get older, this gets thinner. And I'm going to be 60, so it's pretty thin. But yeah, you get thinness of the skin because of the collagen loss. So, and it says to rub it in. Okay, got that done. And that's this. Then I'm going to use this 24 karat gold. So we're going to see how this works. And I will do an update on this. It's a little dropper. And it says to put all over your face. Okay. And I'm going to put it. And it says in an upward motion. Of course, because you want the face to go upward, not sag. And not around the eye area, because I have that other one. Okay. All right. And it really goes on good, and it's immediate. It's not greasy. So I like it so far. Then we're going to do the 24 karat gold serum. And oh, okay. So you press like that. Oh, and then it presses like that, and then you can just put it on. And you just push it. And then all over the eye area. Oh, smells good. Smells good. Both of them smells really good. This one really doesn't have that much of an odor. This one smells really good. It's not overpowering, but... And when I do my eyes, I always go right through here, because that's the part, to me, it's part of the eyes. And so I want to make sure I get it. It's my frown lines or whatever, the 11s. So, there we go. Well, there you go. There you have it. I put this on, and then I put this on. So we'll see how this works. I will do an update on how it is and how it's actually working for me. So I will let you guys know how everything works. If I like it, if I don't, put all the links down below of where I got it. So if you guys want to try it out, let me know how it works. So like I said, I'm just continue doing it. And thank you so much for joining my channel. Please hit the like, subscribe, and the bell so you get notified for the future videos I'm going to post. You guys take care and be safe out there. Bye-bye.